Una, nakikiramay ako sa lahat ng mga pamilyang namatayan. Ang pinakasinusuportahan ko, subong, sa lahat ay isang full, objective, and impartial investigation para malaman ano ba yung kompleto at totoong nangyari doon. Only on the basis of the truth can there be justice for any who should be given justice, and only on the basis of truth and justice, mabuo natin yung paghidait na matagal na nating pinapangarap or dinidream of. So, na-appreciate ko po yung initial statement ng Commission on Human Rights. Kag sinusuportahan ko yung investigasyon na pinaniniwalaan kong sinisimulan na ng CHR. Na-appreciate ko man yung pastoral letter ni Bishop Gerardo Alminaza. And na-appreciate ko man ang pagiging open ni Mayor ng Toboso sa akin nung pamangkot ko lang naman sa kanila, ano ba ang nangyari at paano, may tulong ba na maibibigay ng nasyonal at paano makakatulong. So, yun po yung pananaw ko sa trahedyang nangyari. And ayun, hiningan ko rin ng perspectives ni Mayor.
Ma'am, is there any pa for the Senate to conduct inquiry regarding the Toboso incident?
Wala pa namang nagpa-file ng resolution para sa inquiry, and I think all eyes right now are properly on the Commission on Human Rights bilang constitutional body natin na pinaka inaasahang mag-imbestiga sa ganitong mga insidente, lalo na isang malaking insidente.
Ma'am, what do you think of the claims from Nijar that it was a deflect encounter?
I think isa yun sa mga claims of both sides or many sides na pinaka-importanting maging subject ng findings ng CHR and also subject of any recommendations, if any, by the Commission.
Are you raising doubts? Claims from Nijar?
I'm not raising doubts right now about either side or any side. Kaya there have been many facts or allegations or yung haka-haka, speculations raised not just by both sides but by many sides. Kasi malaking insidente to and maraming tao ang na-involved. So, again, ang mata ko rin ay nakafocus ngayon sa CHR. Tingin ko sila yung in the best position right now na simulang isurface yung buong katotohanan sa nangyari. The broad context and the deep roots of what really and completely happened.
The local council's resolution declaring the Secretary as persona non grata in Toboso. What's your reaction?
Well, ang mga local government units natin, including under the local government code, meron silang ganyang mga prerogatives. So, hindi ako magko-comment dyan. Tingin ko the big picture and the big question about the big picture ay ano ang totoong at kumpletong nangyari, bakit, immediately what must be done para paalam ang katotohanan, bigyan ng hustisya kung sino ang dapat mabigyan ng hustisya, and moving forward, ano yung mga painful lessons that we should learn, we should finally learn para we can move forward towards a just and lasting peace.